Hello, my name is Martin Moore and this is one of my trick tutorials. In today's trick tutorial we are going to learn how to do the neck catch. It's a nice trick to learn, it adds a new dimension to your juggling and it's not as hard as you might think. We're going to start with one ball. Throw the ball from hand to hand. When it reaches its peak and starts to drop, it will be about head height. Now, aim so it hits you on the head. Just throwing the ball as it drops, it just hits you on your forehead slightly, drops into your other hand. Go and have a practice, see if you can do that. The next stage is of course doing it with 3 balls. Throw one ball up, bounce it off your forehead. Try it from the other side. Go and have a practice, see if you can do that. Now you can juggle and land a ball on your forehead. Let's go back to looking at it with just one ball. We throw the ball exactly the same that it hits us on the forehead. Ideally, it slightly pauses for a moment before it falls off. Watch. Okay, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw to exactly the same place, but I'm going to move my head forward so the ball lands on the back of my neck. As the ball lands, I'm going to dampen it slightly by moving down a little bit so it doesn't just bounce off. I'm using bean bags, but it does work with balls. Watch, same throw. Did you see what happened? Same throw. Go and have a practice of doing that. Hopefully that was successful and now you can catch a ball on the back of your neck. Of course the next stage is to do it with juggling. Juggling your 3 balls exactly the same as before, aiming for that place, and then the neck catch. There are several ways to come out of the neck catch. Here's just a couple of ideas. Neck catch, back into juggling. The ball sort of rolls over my head and pops back into the juggling pattern. Another way to do it, neck catch, I hope you agree it's a nice trick and you'll have some success doing it. If you've enjoyed today's video, please hit subscribe, leave me a comment, come back and watch some more videos. My name is Martin Moore and this has been a trick tutorial.